Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm gonna talking about compound inequalities. When you have compound inequalities, first you have to separate the inequalities and then connected the inequalities by and after that we have to solve each inequalities apart. Example number one, you have 4 is less than or equal to x plus 2 and x plus 2 is less than or equal to 8. First step, you have to separate the inequalities like that. We have in the left side, we have 4 is less than or equal to x plus 2. And then we have to, in the right side, we have another inequalities like x plus 2 is less than or equal to 8. And then we have to connect these two inequalities with and. After that, we have to solve each inequalities apart. We have to solve 4 is less than or equal to x plus 2. So we can change the place of positive 2 into the left side like that. 4 minus 2 is less than or equal to x. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So the value for the left side, x is greater than or equal to 2, and this is and. In the right side we have x plus 2 is less than or equal to 8. We can change the place of positive 2 into the right side. So we have x is less than or equal to 8 minus 2. So x is less than or equal to 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So we have 2 is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equal to 6. When we graph the value of the x on a number line, both values are positive, so this is 0 and this is 1, 2, till this is 6 and this is positive 7. And then x equal to 2 or greater than 2. So you have to draw a circle, and we have greater than and equal, so this small circle should be close. And then in the second part, x is less than or equal to 6, so you have to draw another circle, and then this circle should be close. And then we have to match these 2 points together. So x is between 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Example number 2, we have negative 5 is less than or equal to 2x plus 3 is less than 29. First, we can separate the inequalities like that. We have negative 5 less than or equal to 2x plus 3, and then we can write and 2x plus 3 is less than 9. After that, we have to solve the inequalities or each inequalities apart. So we can change the place of positive 3 into the left side. So we have negative 5, negative 3 is less than or equal to 2x, and 2x we can change the place of positive 3 into the right side. So positive 3 become negative 3. After that, negative times negative is positive. You have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So you have negative 8 is less than or equal to 2x. After that, we can divide both sides by 2. So we have negative 4 is less than or equal to x. And then in the right side, we have 2x is less than 9 minus 3 equal to 6. After that, we have to divide both sides from 2. So x is less than 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we can write this inequalities like that. Negative 4 is less than or equal to x, and then is less than 3. When we write the value of x on a number line, so this is 0, and this is negative 4, and this is 3. After that, x is equal to or greater than negative 4. So you have to draw an closed circle, and then x is less than 3. We have to draw an open circle, and then we have to match these two circles together. Example number 3, we have negative 4 plus k is greater than 1, or negative 4 plus k is less than negative 3. So we have or. This is this inequalities is like, and we have to solve each inequalities apart. So in the left side, you have negative 4 plus k is greater than 1. We have to change the place of negative 4 into the right side like that. We have k greater than 1. When we change the place of negative 4, become positive 4, and then k is greater than 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So k is greater than 5, and then we have to solve the right side. We have to change the place of negative 4 into the right side. So we have k is less than negative 3. When we change the place of negative 4, become positive 4. After that, k is less than, minus times plus is minus. We have to subtract 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So k is less than 1. K is greater than 5, or k is less than 1. When we graph the value of k on the number line, so this is 0, and this is positive 1, and this is positive 5. And this is 4, 3, 2, and this is 1. After that, k is less than 1. So you have to draw a small circle, and this circle should be open because we have only less than, and k is greater than 5. So you have to draw a small circle, and this circle should be open. After that, k is less than 1. So the value of k should be go to the left side, and then or k is greater than 5. So the value of k in this case should be go to the right side. Example number 4, we have 2x is less than or equal to 6, or 3x is greater than 212. We have to solve each inequalities apart. So you have 2x is less than or equal to 6. We have multiply, so you have to divide both sides by 2. These two 2's are cancelled. X stay is less than or equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. Or, and then we have multiply, you have to divide both sides by 3. So these two 3's are cancelled. X stay. X is greater than 12 divided by 3 is 4. So x less than or equal to 3, or x is greater than 4. When we graph the value of x, this is 1, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So the value of the left side, x equal to or less than 3. So this is 3, and this circle should be closed, and then x is less than, so the value of x should be go to the left side, and then x is greater than 4. This circle should be open because we have only greater than, and the value for this x should be go to the right side. Example number 5, you have 11 is less than 2x plus 3 is less than 21. First, we can separate the inequalities and then connect it by and. After that, we have to solve each inequalities apart. So we have 11 is less than 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3 is less than 21. After that, you have to solve each inequalities apart, so we can change the place of positive 3 into the left side. So we have 11 negative 3 or minus 3 is less than 2x. 11 minus 3 is 8 is less than 2x. After that, you have to divide both sides by 2. So these two 2's are cancelled. X is greater than 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 8 greater than, x is greater than 4, or and the inequalities of the right side, we have 2x plus 3 is less than 21. We can change the place of positive 3 into the right side, so you have 2x less than 21 minus 3. 2x is less than 21 minus 3 equal to 18. After that, you have to divide both sides by 2. So x is less than 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we can write this inequalities like that. X greater than 4 and less than 9. When we graph on the number line, this is 0 and 1, 2, this is 4, and this is positive 9. X is greater than 4. So you have to draw a small open circle, and x is less than 9. Again, we have to draw a small open circle, and then x is greater than 4. So the value for x should be go to the right side, and x is less than 9. Again, the value of this x should be go to the left side, so we have to match these two circle. Example number 6, we have y minus 1 is less than -1, or y minus 5 is greater than -1. So we have to solve each inequalities apart. So you have y minus 1 less than -1. We can change the place of -1 into the right side. So we have y is less than -1 plus 1, -1 become +1, and then y is less than -1 plus 1 equal to 0. And the inequalities of the right side, we have y minus 5 is greater than -1. So you have to change the place of -5 into the right side. Y greater than -1, positive -5 become +5, and then minus times plus equal to minus. You have to subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. You have to write the sign of the large number. So y is less than 0, or y is greater than 4. Another example, example number 7. We have to separate the inequalities. So we have 5 less than 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 less than 17. And then we have to solve each inequalities apart. So we have to change the place of -1 to the left side. So we have 5 so -1 become +1 is less than 3x. After that, 5 plus 1 equal to 6 is less than 3x. After that, you have to divide both sides by 3. These two 3's are reduced. X stay. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. And then we have the inequalities of the right side. 3x, we can change the place of -1 into the right side. So we have +1. So 3x is less than 17 plus 1 equal to 18. After that, you have to divide both sides by 3. These two 3's are cancelled, so x is less than 18 divided by 3 is 6. So you can write these inequalities like that. X is greater than 2 and less than 6. Example number 8. We have 8 plus 3 is less than 0, or 8 minus 2 is greater than 0. We have to solve each inequalities apart. X plus 3 is less than 0, so we have to change the place of +3 into the right side. X is less than 0 minus 3, so x is less than -3, or x minus 2 is greater than 0, so x greater than 0 you have to change the place of -2 become +2, so x is greater than 2. And when we graph the value of x is greater than 2, so you have to draw a small circle, and then this circle should be open, and x is greater than 2, so the value of x should be go to the right side, and then x is less than -3, you have to draw an open circle, and then x is less than -3, so the value of x should be go to the left side.